bajado la energía, tío. Habéis bajado la energía.
This is a fucking bullshit. We play thumb up, spacing a good ball screen. Doesn't matter what we play. The most important thing is how we play. Do the things properly, please.
Hey, fellas, listen up. More pressure on the basketball, and much more pressure in all their entries. Yeah, deny entries, deny entries.
How many shots under the ring we're gonna miss or we're gonna skip? Finish slow, guys. Who do you think you're playing against? Against kids?
Hey, guys. No, hey, listen me. Four turnovers in a row. The game is not the end. Ball for you, catch the ball. Hey, but with rhythm, change the rhythm.
Estás triples, pases, todo bien. Coño, 7 abajo, 8 abajo. Todo cuarto sin faltas.
¿Alguien ha puesto un bloqueo? ¿Alguien ha ido al rebote de ataque alguna vez sobre un tiro nuestro? Oye, van a correr todo el partido. We need to score from the defense and play with rhythm. More speed. Play hand.
We are not in bonus, and they play 2 fouls, 4 free throws. Hostia, be smart. Antes, hay que jugarla antes. Sí. Agresivos, cuidado el griego. Watch out with the Greek guy, okay, con el black. Cántalo antes.
Then you appear, he sprint, and he's not guarding. When you appear, he's guarded already. And then you drive. And then turn over. Joder. We made a lot of mistakes. All for the communication. Yeah. The first decision is the best. But communicate.
Defense! ¡Hostia!
Rampa, guys, venga, vamos.
Try to attack well. If not, go down every time.
You just throwing the ball. Happy ball. Bam, I go. I penetrate. I hit the ball out. 9 turnovers already. 9.